Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Step Campus. In this video we are going to talk about how to handle a calendar. So in previous video also we have seen how to handle a calendar. Okay, their part 1 will be already uploaded. This will be a part 2. Okay, in part 1 we have seen some different UI of calendar. Okay, some UI is different. In this one the UI will be different. Okay, so why I am making this video? Because we have seen in our Selenium hands-on we have to select a past date, right? One day before date. So how to do that thing? So we are going to see in this video, as well as we will going to give some date, month and year from our end, and then we will see like that particular date is selected or not. Okay, so let's get started guys. So for this one, first I will tell you like which website I am looking. Okay, so I am taking this website. Okay, so this website's link I will give in my description box. You can go there and you can try from your end also. Okay, so you can see this calendar. Okay, let me refresh it. So when I refresh it, so you will see like some page like this way. Okay, and this is simple, looks like a text one, but yeah, once you click on this one, then the calendar will open in front of you. Okay, so first let's go to the code. I will start from manual and then I will go to automation. Okay, so first see. Okay, so for this one, like yeah, in Selenium basics I will create one class. Okay, and I will give the name of this one, okay, give some random name, handling calendar 2. Okay, and we will click this public static void main. Okay, we are normally creating one simple Java class now. Okay, so okay, first now we will see. Okay, first we will see the normal thing means how to achieve this one manually. See, if I want to tell, if I want to took out the date which is the previous date. Okay, so how can I do this? So manually, if you say that we have to click on this one, and today is 17. Okay, now we have to select the 16, so we have to click on this 16, right? Normally manually we can do this one. So with the help of automation also we will do the same thing. Okay, the questions is like we have to accept the previous day, or you can accept any day, past date also, 1st of April also, anything. But yeah, the question what they have asked, so I am just telling you that one. Okay, in hands-on, so in hands-on they are asked us to click on the previous day. Okay, sorry, previous date. Yeah, day and date fine. Yeah, previous date, so we have to select 16. So how to do this one? So for this one, let's go to editor. Okay, I will copy, okay, this line. There is no point to write it again. Okay, that's why I am copying this. Okay, and I will paste here. Okay, so this is for creating an object for our cron driver. Now driver.get, first we have to hit the URL. Okay, so for this one we will copy this. Okay, and we'll paste here. Okay, okay, also we will do one thing, we will maximize our window. Okay, I will tell you why. If I open this one now, so it will open in a minimize mode. So like we have to select the date and all, so I think we should go with the maximize window so that it will clear. See, it would look like this way. Yeah, that is also fine, but yeah, we will maximize it. Okay, it won't take much time. So how to maximize the window? So we have some function driver dot manage. Okay, driver dot manage dot window, this we have to learn dot maximize. Okay, okay, also we will do one thing, we will call implicit wait as well. Okay, so driver dot manage. Okay, after manage we have to give timeout. Okay, timeouts dot implicitly wait. Okay, and inside this one we have to pass duration. Okay, D capital. Okay, duration dot O F and S will be capital, and then you will get the suggestion. Okay, and give 5. Fine. Now what we have to do? Now maximize window, all these things are done. Okay, now what we have to do? See, now we have to select the previous date. So Control Shift I, we will interact. No, before this one you have to see one thing. So once we open this page now, so the calendar will not pop up. Okay, so for this one we have to click on this element. So first grab this element. Okay, yes, we have ID, so we will go with the ID. Okay, so we will write driver dot find element. Okay, in small case we have to write driver dot find element by dot id, and inside this one we have to give our id value, okay, and then we have to click on this one, okay. So once you click, so this page will open, this calendar will open. Now we have to select this 16. Let's see, let's inspect this element. Okay, so we can see 16 in a form of text, okay, and then this is the element. So just create one XPath with based on the text. You already know, right? If not, then please follow my previous lecture. You will get all these things. Text equals to 16. Okay, so you can see this is one element, and this is XPath for selecting the 16. If I want to select any date, I can do. If I give 1, so you can see this 1 is highlighted as a blue color. Okay, if I give 12, so 12 will be selected. So this is a parameterized, not an issue. Okay, so as of now we have to select 16, then give it 16. Okay, Control A, Control C. Now we have to go to our editor, and then here we have to write driver dot find element, okay, by dot XPath. Okay, we have created one XPath. Okay, and inside this one in double quotes we have to give our XPath. Okay, and give dot click. What we have to do, we have to click this button, right? Click. Okay, we will. Okay, now all looks good. Just try once. Okay, we will give a try whether it is selecting a 16 or not. Okay, so it will open up like it will open a group Chrome driver in maximize window, and then it will select on this one. It will click on this one, and you can see 16/4/2024. It means today is 17, right? So 16 April is selected. So I hope guys you know how, like, you are now able to do these things, okay, from your end. Now, so this is the one part what they have asked. But yeah, sometimes like we have to see the how to select some particular date. So for example, as for just now for condition, I will give one date. Let's suppose I have to select this date. I have to select 10th July 2029 for an example. Okay, we have to select this date. So how can we achieve this one? So for this one, first go to the calendar. We will try to do manually first. How, if I give you to select this one, how we will do? First you have to interact with that element. Okay, see, we have to select 10th of July, right? Yeah, 10th of July 2029. So 2029, it means you have to go right, because 24 then 25 it will come. Okay, and if I give you any few past date, then you have to click on left. So first you will get, so we have to click on this one, because you can't click on this one to get only year, which we have seen in the previous video of our lecture, where different UI is there. Okay, but this UI is different. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to parallelly do with this thing. So we have to click this one, okay, till 29. So you will select like this way only. 26, okay, 10th September we have to select, and 29 we have to select. So we have to click on, like, continuously we have to click on this one. Okay, yeah, 29 came, but September, right? Yeah, this one. Okay, so you have to click till you will get this text or not, right? You are doing manually in this way only. Okay, you will continuously clicking on this button until you get this text. Okay, and once you get this text, then you have to select the date. Okay, the date is 10, then you will select this date. Got it? Okay, so we will automate these things. Okay, now we got the logic. What we have to do, we have to grab this text first. Okay, and then we have to match this text with the text which we have given, this 10th July. If it will match, then we will stop clicking on this one. If not, then we will continuously clicking on this button. Okay, now let's write the code for this one. First I will create 3 variable. Okay, first I will create for date. Okay, date will be 10. Okay, in string format 10. Okay, I will copy the same variable. Okay, I will change it again. Okay, so now second will be for year. Okay, okay, give it month, not an issue, anything you can give. Okay, month will be July. Yeah, you have to think one thing, you have to see one thing, right? This September is written in September, not in number 1 2 3 like this way. Okay, so you have to pass the same value. So just copy from here, okay, and paste here. Okay, and date will be year will be 2029, right? Okay, now what we have to do, so till this step it will be same, because we have to click we have to go to this URL and then we have to click on this button so that the calendar will pop up. Now comment out this one. Okay, we not required as of now, but yeah, we will use this at the last. Okay, because if you see the manually also now, so first we are selecting this month and year, and then at last we are selecting any date. Okay, that's why. Okay, so let's how to code this one. So first we have given this one, right, these three. So first we will grab this element. Okay, so Control Shift I. Okay, so in this class you will get this year only, and in this class you will get this April month only. So we will go with this one, so that whole this element will be highlighted. Okay, and we will get the text together. Okay, so we will go with this class. Control C, Control F. Okay, // we will write XPath as well. You can go with the class name as well. Okay, not an issue, but I am comfortable with the XPath, that's why I am writing this one. Okay, @ class. Okay, @ class equals to, if you don't know like how to write a XPath and all, so just I will suggest you to follow my lecture from the starting. Okay, so that you will get these things. Okay, now first we have to grab that element. Okay, so driver dot find element, okay, by dot XPath, and inside this one we have to pass our value, and we have to give dot get text. Okay, so it will give you the text. We will store this one in some variable, so give the variable name as S will be capital. Okay, string. In string data type we will store this one, and we will give this name as month_year. Okay, because we are getting this month and year right together, so I will give this name. You can give any name, not an issue. Okay, now print this one. Okay, what happened? Something happened, not an issue. Okay, we will print this one, so we will copy this one and we'll paste here, save it. Now run it once again. We will see like what value we are getting in this month here, and then we will proceed further. Okay, we didn't use the driver.close, that's why it is not closing this one. Yeah, fine, close this one manually. Yeah, you can see this April 2024 is there. Okay, you can see here April 2024 we have selected this text. Now what we have to do? Okay, I will open console as well. See, so this April should match with this September, and this year should match with this year. So we will stop what we have see before, right, manually, right? We will click on continue till we get the same text. Okay, September 2029, right? This is the approach. So what we will do now, see, we are getting together. Now we will split this one, so that September will store in one variable, and what we are getting here, yeah, April is stored in one variable, and 2024 will store in one variable, so that we can match this variable to this value. If it is matched, then we'll stop. If not, then we will continue clicking. Okay, now okay, so give this one month here dot split. Okay, and on what basis we are splitting it? On the basis of space. Okay, because if you see the console, so April 2024 there is one space, so based on the space we are splitting these two, so this will become index 0 and this will become index 1. Okay, 0. Okay, and we will store this one in, okay, we will give month one variable. Okay, we will store here. Now same thing we will do, okay, with year as well. Okay, so variable will be year, and the index will be 1 instead of 0. Okay, so what will happen now? So in month variable this April will be stored, and in year variable this 2024 will be stored. Okay, now we have to match, so we will write condition. So we will go with the while condition. Okay, while, because the iteration we don't know at what we have to stop. Okay, we have only condition, so we will go with the while loop. So while this value month, while this value dot equals, okay, dot equals this variable. okay, this variable. Okay, in short, if I say, so in this one April is there, so April equals September, so no, this is not matching, right? So we have to continue clicking. I will tell you the logic, not an issue, just see this thing. Okay, okay, yeah, and then because we have to match both condition, okay, also, so it will be an AND condition. 2029 should also match. So year, okay, and then year dot equals, okay, year dot equals, and with this variable, okay, same thing. Insert, if you say, so in this small year variable, okay, this year variable, we have 2024. So is 2024 matching with 2029? No, it is not matching. Okay, so we will match. Okay, okay, see, we have written while this equals this one, but at the starting it is not equal, so the loop won't start, right? Getting me? Now this is not equal, so loop won't start. So to make the loop start, we will make it that condition, not condition. Okay, we will make it not. We will make starting, we know it is a false, so we will give the false condition. So when this is not equal, so what we have to do? If this is not equal, is not matching with September 2029, then what we have to do? We have to click on this button. Okay, left click or right click, you already know. Okay, if you have to go 2029, so we have to click right. If you have to go before this 2024, then we have to click on left. That is a basic, so I am not going in deep. Okay, now just inspect this element, next button element. Okay, so you can see title equals to next showing. So control F / A, okay, at the rate, my god, yeah, at the rate title equals to next. Okay, so this one element matching, control A, control C, okay, and we will write like driver dot find element by dot XPath. Okay, and inside this one we will pass our XPath locator. Okay, and what we have to do? We have to click on this button continuously. Okay, so dot click. See, why I am writing this not condition again? I am telling you. If I write only month dot equals month, so this is not matching at the starting, because we are getting April 2024 here. Okay, April 2024 we are getting. So this April 2024 is not matching with September 2029. So what we have to do? We have to click, continue clicking on this the button. Okay, so to make it not condition, so we have written this not. Okay, so that loop can start. Okay, now just see here carefully. Okay, let me refresh it, so we'll so that I can tell you at what we will get at the starting. So we will get April. Now we have to click. So this is not matching, we have to click. Now see, the text is changing. Now this is not April, right? This is not April, so we have to store this variable as well. So again June will occur, so we have to store this as well. Okay, so every time we have to store this text so that it will match with the current one. Okay, so how to do this one now? How to do this one? We have to call this function again. We call this line of code again from here to here. Okay, again call it. Just copy the line and paste after the clicking. Okay, and remove this string because it will duplicate error. It will show, because we are using the same variable to store it. Okay, yeah, now good. Why I am writing this again? Because at the starting, when we refresh the page, we will be on this page April 2024, but this is not matching with the September 2029. What we have to achieve? So it will click on next, but this time this April 2024 won't be there. Now it should be matched with May 2024. So May 2024 is equals to September 2029. No, it is not matching. So we have to store this May as well. Again we have to store this June also. That's why we are writing this inside the loop, so that every time it will change the month and date based on the UI what we have given here. Okay, so I hope this will you have understand. Now we will use this one. Once these things are equal, means this is matching. Okay, but we have given not, so it will false, and then the loop will fall. Okay, it will came out from the loop. Okay, and here we have to say the date. So date is 10. So but here we are giving 16, but we have to take the date from this variable, right? So what we will do? Just see here. Just remove this 16 from the single quotes. Okay, and give double quotes inside the single quote. Yeah, just follow. Okay, now plus and give this date. Okay, and give plus again. Okay, so this is a syntax to grabbing this date, parametric date value here. Okay, now run it. So what we are doing now, we have to select this 10 July 2029. Let's see, we are okay, not July, we have given September, or not an issue, anything. Okay, September also we can grab. Okay, run it, run as Java application. Okay, it will open in maximize window. See, it is searching. Okay, 2026 is there, 27 is there, still it is searching. 28, 29, and then September. Yeah, so you can see 10 September 2029 has been selected here. Okay, so this is our requirement, right? And also we can see the print, like every time the text is changing. Okay, so I hope guys you are clear with this thing, how to achieve these things. Okay, so we'll see you in the next lecture. Happy learning. Thank you. Bye bye.